Now at 12:18 this holiday season, it's important to look out for your eyes. Surprisingly enough, many people find themselves nursing an eye injury from a pine needle, ornament, or even a piece of cork. So here today to talk about potential dangers for eyes during the holidays and the winter months is Dr. Peter Shriver, an ophthalmologist at Middlesex Eye Physicians with Hartford HealthCare. Thank you for joining us, doctor.
Thank you, Nicole. It's a pleasure to be here.
Dr. Shriver, how often do you see eye injuries around the holiday season? No pun intended.
It's pretty frequent. You have to worry about injuries from pine needles, as you mentioned, can range from scratch on the cornea, corneal abrasion, to more serious problems such as Nerf gun injuries to the eye. And as you had mentioned, champagne corks can cause pretty serious injuries. So we see this on a routine basis.
So are the typical injuries just a scratch on the cornea in these situations?
They can be. Yeah, they can be. And they're very painful, those. But they can also be very sight-threatening injuries, too. As I mentioned, the gun-type injuries, BBs or Nerf guns, can lead to a lot more serious issues. And you can lose vision from these. So that's why you have to be very careful during the holidays.
Yeah, that's why we quote the Christmas story every year, right? With the don't shoot your eye out with a BB gun.
That's right.
What do you recommend people should do if something does get into their eye while they're decorating or taking down decorations or playing with their Christmas toys?
Well, first you want to, if the family members can take a look and see what's going on, if they're able to identify any little piece of a pine needle or whatever, and if they could try to gently remove that with a Q-tip. If it seems more serious, then they should, either call their doctor's office, their eye care provider, or if need be, the emergency room or one of the urgent care centers to have it looked at. Over the holiday, it's not impossible, but it's hard to get in, and especially in the world we live in now. But these need to be looked at.
Absolutely. And how can people keep their eyes healthy during the cold, dry winter months?
The weather is really, the wind is dry, as you say. So especially when you spend a lot of time outdoors, I recommend people use artificial tears on a frequent basis, but also wear some type of glasses, eye protection. If you don't normally wear glasses, just get some, safety type glasses. You can get them to wear with their clear lenses during the day. Sunglasses also will help. And you can get those at your eye care provider. And they just cut down the wind and keep your eyes much healthier, keep things from blowing in, and keep them from drying out.
All right, so protect your eyes, especially around the holidays. Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Shriver, for joining us today. And for more information...
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. For more information, you can visit the website right at the bottom of your screen. It's seen there. And, of course, we'll have all of this posted on the Channel 3 app as well.